In this lecture, I will explain how filmmakers slash video creators make their money. So I have written out few things and I will check them now and then. So the first thing what I want to talk about right now is that usually filmmakers are starting out like creating videos for free. Usually filmmakers has their own camera. It's like usually just some body, lens, and they have laptop or desktop computer where they edit this. So usually you can get camera from starting like 500, 600, even 800 euros slash dollars, also the same price in dollars. And then you need equipment for video editing. It is, I would say you can get as good as like $400. So to start out, you just need $1,200. Just start. And it's a lot of money to start out. And when you are starting out, you need to do this for free. You need to go out, find the clients, do for free, and get your portfolio, get the good reviews, the feedbacks, and then you will start to get paid clients and etc, etc. So you see, you need to invest like this amount of money, $1,200 for start, and then probably do it for a month, even or maybe for 6 months, even for years sometimes. So it's a long process, and if you don't see the results, then you just like, oh shit, like that's not for me. So it is long process to start, and you need a money, like some capital. The second thing is the filming process is really long. So nowadays filmmakers go to the film set. They are like whatever, they are going to some event or you're filming weddings. You go there, you film for at least 2-3 hours. Then sometimes the weddings are even 12 and 16 hours long, and it's really long day and you are exhausted afterwards. So it is sometimes for a few people it's really hard to be awake and be focused on their work on these long hours. So I think it's wrong and you shouldn't do that, because like I said before, if you don't have enough money and you are just starting out, it's silly to work for this amount of hours to just get paid, maybe, or just do it for free for portfolio. It's even worse. So what I want to say with this old model is that you have 2 cycles. First cycle is just go out and film. The second, you edit. So what would you say if I said that you just can skip this first cycle and just do the video editing? Sounds good. Usually people who is doing just video editing, somebody send to them videos already filmed. Maybe they sometimes are good quality, bad quality also they can be, and then you edit. And what is the problem when somebody send you a video to you to edit? The problem is that sometimes these videos are not good, and sometimes as a video editor you don't really understand what the cameraman was thinking when he made this kind of scene or that kind of thing, and it's really sometimes hard. And sometimes when you get very bad footage and you try to like get together like some movie or some clip, you're just like, oh my god, I can't do this because the film, like this cameraman, he did so bad job. And then the client said, oh, you did also bad job on your side. Why didn't you make a good edit? But like I already had like a bad video film. So you see, there's like 2 main big problems, actually 3 I would say. It's really hard to start and you need the money. Second thing is it's long hours and you can get exhausted and sometimes it don't pay off. And the third thing is that you actually need to do the 2 cycles. The first one is filming and the second is editing, and then you will be a full filmmaker. But there are a lot of guys who don't want to be this cameraman who films everything. They just feel comfortable with them, like they feel comfortable at home with their laptop and editing these videos or just making videos on the laptop without any filming process. So this old model as filmmakers are making money nowadays, actually not that, but like as the old model of the filmmakers are making money, I would say it's old and it's the same as, I would say, 9 to 5 job, because everybody goes from like with this pattern, and this pattern is really old. What I want to try to say right now, you see, when I was young, mom said, you finish the high school, go to college or university, then you like get a good job and do this, like, you know, it's like a pattern. It's old pattern, everybody do the same. But nowadays, when you have the internet, it's not working anymore like that. The film industry has changed. You know, let's take wedding videographers. Okay, weddings have been for hundreds and hundreds of years, and they are doing the same job over and over. But if you check, the wedding film was made 30 years ago, and nowadays it's totally different. You see, in let's say in 1970s, there's videos was like wedding videos was the same as the TV, like these montage in the TV. You see the series, whatever. It was like bad camera equipment, very bad camera movement. Like it was really like, if you watch nowadays, like think, what the heck is like I can even my iPhone doing better. So, and nowadays the videos from the weddings are like real movies. If you just check compare with, I don't know, like with any other big movie, it looks like fantastic. And in the TVs, they are doing the same thing. Nowadays they have the old type of filming and editing still. So what I want to say, as the internet changed all the game, as all the equipment is changing all the time, like computers getting better, cameras getting better, cameras getting like wider, brighter, and etc. Computers getting faster, the game is changing. And if you will go the same pattern that everybody using for many years, then you will have the same 9 to 5 job. And it's silly. You will get paid by hours or maybe fixed price, but it's not scalable. You will get to the point where you will feel that you don't have anywhere to go. Like let's say you earn like $3,000 and that's it, because I don't have much hours in my month to get more clients, and I'm exhausted. So as the internet have came, game is changed. So in next video I explain what I mean with that, how the game is changed.